Yes, 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 yes. We're gonna keep the Dennis Brown vibes rolling. This one, we're not doing a long talking we're gonna keep the ball rolling. No long talking, we're gonna keep it walking. And here we have Mr. D Brown again with yeah. Oh, in the top and eyes out the son of man. Yes, so back at it again. D Brown, love's got a hold on me. Oh gosh, what a vibe, what a vibe. Here we go, kick it away like a ball.
Oh Lord, yeah. Oh Lord, got a hold on me. Your sweet love got a hold on me. Girl, you got me here tonight, and the feeling is right. I do, hold me tight. Let's make love till morning and night. 'Cause your love's got a hold on me. Your sweet love got a hold on me. I said your love's got a hold on me. Yeah, your love's got a hold on me. Don't try to tease me.
Loving me, it's so easy.
Let your feelings flow.
Let
Your love like flow.
Oh gosh.
'Cause your love's got a hold on.
Wow, well, this tune got a hold on me, so I'm gonna pull it from the top again to the very last drop. D Brown with Love's Got a Hold on Me. You hear the bass line? Yeah. Ladies, I need you to move your waistline on this bass line and don't waste time. Come in again, DB, from the top.
Oh Lord, yeah. Oh Lord, got a hold on me. Your sweet love got a hold on me. Listen. Girl, you got me here tonight.
yes. Oh gosh, man. We're gonna keep the ball rolling. The fire is hot because we have Dennis Brown on the spot. Yes, big tune. Dennis Brown birthday, yeah. Big celebration, big tribute. This is a Solid Rock Entertainment tribute to Dennis Emmanuel Brown. People tune in, come party with I. Today is February 1st. Yeah, Dennis Brown's day. Scene. Come on now. Vibe with me. We have some tune, so just keep it locked to Solid Rock, man, because yeah. No long talking. We're gonna keep the ball rolling. Our vibes in here, so yeah.